Hi, hello, I'm Hari. Welcome back. Today we have to discuss the Python programming language. We have to discuss Python programming language. The Python programming language is a it is a snake language, not like that. It is a high level language and easy to learn to language. And it means high level means it is low level binary level 0 1 1 0. It is a computer language. Is high level means in letters in alphabetical letters like whatever that is called high level language. Low level language means 0 1s. That's and easy to learn. It means it is how to easy to write and easy to learn. It is like it is one theory of the English grammar, a great paragraph like that. It is very simple. There is some added some mathematical logical question logics. There is another thing. It is a normal, and after then it is a syntax very simple, very syntax friendly, and it is so many libraries are there, different libraries. Why use the libraries? Libraries are using that we have to resist the code. We have to line the lot of code. At the time, we have to get any error. We have to check very difficult. That's why some developers have developed the libraries. That's why you have to easy to import the libraries and use the libraries. And the next one, here is the Python. What is the best thing? It is the best thing. It is an interpreter language. Interpreter language means it is a check the line by line code. There are two types are there. One is a compiler and interpreter. Compiler means it is a check the entire code, overall code. It is like C, Java. It is check the entire code. And the interpreter language means it is a check the line by line. Example, A is equal to 10, print A is equal to 10. I have given. You have to check the first line. What is the A is equal to 10? That is a variable. They are given A is equal to 10. Oh, it is true. It is in any syntax error. It is a come to next line. You have to give A is equal to Hari. That is wrong. Why? Because there is string. You have to give the colons. That's why there are things. I have next. I have how to there, and I will tell. I will what means. I will tell to you again. In practically tell to you in Visual Studio, and it is a object-oriented language. And object-oriented language means it is support very class. Class means the example. There are vehicles. Vehicle is a class. It means it defines objects. It means vehicles means car, bike. There are objects. There comes like it is no inheritance like that. There class 2 comes the objects, and there are classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, different structure programming languages are there, and it is a Python. Next one is Python, very open source program. It is one of the best. It is easy to download in online. You have to download in Mac and Linux and Windows operating system. We have to download easily. That's it. And there are libraries there, different libraries, NumPy, Pandas, um, the class, different types of libraries are there. Next, it is using the web development also. It is like Django using Django and Flask, and mainly using the data science and AI analyze the data and create the machine learning using the some machine learning use the Pandas, NumPy, and PyTorch. You have to use, and it is create down some games, and it is use the robotics also, and it is use the cyber security. It is give the some security also. That's it. The Python is a like very simple language or like compared to C or Java. It is very simple. It is simple to read and simple to do. You have to start. You have to basic C. You have to start the Python. Without basic C, you have to start Python. That you have to see that main programming language is a C. That is the first programming language. That's why we have to know about some 5 minutes. You have to know something. See how to easy to do Python also, some logics and everything. Yeah, we have to do today Python library, Python programming language. How to install? We have to do. The first we have to go in Google. We have to download first Python. We have to download some versions. www.com Python. Yeah. Now new version is a 3.13.7. This is the new version. You have to download in different versions are there. How to different versions are there. You have to easy free to download Android, Mac, Linux, Unix, Windows. You have to download easily. You have to download Python 13.3, 13.7. You have to experience new thing also. You have to download in and everything is good. You have to download this. You have to click in there. The download is started. After downloaded, we have to do another thing also. We have to download Visual Studio. Some pop-ups. You have to see download. You have installed in Windows 10 or 11. You have to download this. You have Linux. You have to Mac. You have to download. You have to download the VS Code and Python version. After then, at the time you have to add the Python automatically added. You have to give. After then, you have to open VS Code. This is the Visual Studio. You have to install the Python. The extensions you have to download. First, you have to download the extensions. Python Bugger Code Runner. You have to download some extensions. At the time, easy to run. You have to. There is why you choose Visual Studio. Visual Studio. You have to select. You have to run in different languages. You have to see. There are different languages. There CSS, Docker, Git, Go, Gradle, HTML, LNI, Java, JavaScript, Johnson, Julie, Lesu, Log, MySQL. There are different. There you have to use the Python. That's why you have to select the Python. You have to give the first print RAM. You have to save the. If you have to create the one file and save them. I downloaded. After then when you have save, after then that was run Python run. Yeah, you have to see in below. Wait 1 second. There was. You have to see the ROM and there are terminals, so many terminals. You have to choose different files are there. And Python very easy to compile and it is easy to run. Sorry for friends, my laptop charging is very low. That's why how to do for that. Okay. I have before telling the Python is the interpreter language. Now I have C is equal to 10. And you have to do like you have to press the F5. There come 10. You have to see. Yeah. This is the Python. Why is Python interpreter? And you have to see the expectation has occupied the name of error. The print of A is correct. That line is correct. The A is equal to the A assignment operator. A is assignment operator. Hurry is not. It is syntax error. Why? Because we have to use the string. We have to use the string must and shouldly. We have to put the colons. Now we have to see. Yeah. Now you have to see in below where terminal below in below. You have to see in there. You have to come. The hurry. Why? Because we have to give in the string. We have to give the colon. Must and should. If you didn't given, that is a taken variable. Like that is a taken. It comes variable. The values 1, 2, 3 like that. We have to give colon. That is considered string. Okay. That's it. That is the Python, and we have to take yeah A is equal to A 10 B 20 plus B. Now it's working or not? This is also working. You have to use the operational operation. You have to additional operation. You have to do in print line also. You have to separately have to do is C is equal to A plus B. That is also, and you have to give the dynamic inputs also. There is comes in next. We will discuss in next. There is a you have to give the input in output. That is called dynamic input. That's it today. Today is very. You have to. I think this is my first video. No one can doubt. Okay. You have to see anyone future. You have to after that I will upload something. Thanks. Okay. Bye bye.